everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. What women want? It's a very famous line, and especially men wants to know that what women want, because whenever there is a fight, there is an argument, we always say that what do you want? So let's talk today that what women actually want in their men. So I have a plan to make this video in 2-3 parts where we can discuss different areas, of uh, the actual needs of women. But today, specifically, I'll talk about what women want in men. So what I did, I talked to some women, and just tried to understand the psychology, and then I concluded some points I wanted to discuss with you today. First is good looks. When I got married, I always used to think, that good looks is very, very important. And, it's a because that is the first impression you have of someone. Later on, obviously, you get to know them. But initially, the first thing जो आप एक इंसान के बारे में जानते हैं वो उसके looks के ऊपर आप जज करते हैं. And I used to think के बहुत important है ये. But later on, you realize that it's not the only criteria जो आपका relationship बहुत अच्छे से आगे लेके जाएगा. This is something I learned. Second है financial stability. कई बार कई लोगों के मन में सवाल आता है कि financial stability क्यों ढूंढ रहे हो, सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट बनो. You are a woman, you should be self independent. Why you are looking financial stability in me? But the point is that a woman always needs a financial stability, because हम सबको पता है कि women और men का career अलग ग्राफ पे चलता है. नो मैटर वॉट यू से कि बहुत सारी वुमेन ने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट टाइम आ सकता है जब एक वुमेन अपने फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई टुक अ ब्रेक फॉर माई चाइल्ड फ्रॉम माई रूटीन जॉब, एंड दीज थिंग्स हैपन्स. सो एट दैट टाइम इफ financial stability is not there, तो a woman will be always afraid. She will be afraid of taking these decisions, for her family. So these things are very, very important, and financial stability is a must. आई ऑलवेज यूज टू थिंक जब ये बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में हम जब देखते हैं कि एक बहुत डिफरेंट फिनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड से लोग आते हैं, उनमें प्यार हो जाता है, बट वो एंड नहीं दिखाते हैं. एक्चुअल जर्नी वहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है. दे शुड शो दैट ऑल्सो, द डेली इशूज एंड एवरीथिंग. मनी कैन बी अ बिग इशू. अगर ट्रस्ट नहीं है, अगर फिनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं है, मनी कैन बी अ बिग इशू. सो दिस इज समथिंग एवरी वुमन वॉन्ट्स. नेक्स्ट इज लॉयल्टी. अगर हम अपने पार्टनर में लॉयल्टी ऑब्वियसली ढूंढते हैं, क्योंकि वो हमें एक ट्रस्ट देती है. और कई बार मैंने ऐसा देखा है कि बहुत सारी लेडीज़ को एक इनसिक्योरिटी आ जाती है. उनको लगता है कि अगर मेरा हस्बैंड बाहर कहीं पे डेटिंग ऐप पे पाया गया या कुछ और कहीं पाया गया, तो ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. और इफ़ ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मी, तो ये मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. आई एम लैकिंग समथिंग. बट आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से टू यू दैट यू आर परफेक्ट द वे यू आर. Never feel that you have something less in you. That's why you are getting this betrayal, because it's happening around us. We can't deny it. I can't say to you that everything is goody goody. No, nothing is goody goody here. So we live in a real world and everything is happening. Next is caring and respectful. Sometimes what happens that uh, if I talk about a fight between a couple, they fight, but the point is that there should not be a state where you don't bother what other person is actually feeling. Yes, you fought, you had a fight, that's fine, it's very natural. But उसके बाद ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको लगे कि you should not feel that you don't care at all, कि someone has eaten or not, someone is someone is not well. All these things should be a concern for you, for your partner. So partner should not feel that that okay, if I am healthy then everything is good, but if I'm not healthy then what? So it doesn't allow you to build a trust. Again, respect is again very, very important. I have seen many times that husbands generally what happens, they just share all the things in a drawing room with people, that yeah, she doesn't cook properly, she doesn't know how to dress up, she's not she's mad, she doesn't know how to manage the things. But do you know how much harm it does to your partner and your relationship? And don't feel that if you are just telling it, it's not coming to you. Ultimately your relationship will suffer. Next is a person who understands your desires. It's very, very important, because sometimes we see that, husbands just force their desires on the wife. So this is not right. You have to understand the bodily needs of other partner, and you have to accordingly you have to behave. It's not something like that, that you just want something and you get it. It's not right. So there has to be a two-way thing there. So this is one thing which is very important, and people don't discuss it generally. I think we have seen from childhood that these things nobody wants to discuss, but they are very, very important. And women especially, there's a taboo if if they talk about their personal life in front of any friend or someone or relatives, so they judge her. And then there are some common things like good communication, positive attitude, smiling face. So all these things gives women a confidence that they are choosing the right person. So these were the things I wanted to discuss with you, that these are the things which women want, women can totally relate to, because these are the things जो हमें एक बेटर रिलेशनशिप देती हैं, एक ट्रस्ट देती हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस देती हैं. बट ये दोनों तरफ से होता है. वी कांट जस्ट से कि दैट आई कंप्लीटली एग्री दैट you can't just say that women want this, men also want these things, but yes, it should be mutual. So I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.